Jigglers.
Do you know Lizzie gave it in the shop?
Yeah, Lizzie got it for you, didn't she?
Yeah.
Did you say thank you to Lizzie?
Yeah.
5 eggs.
We'll get the eggs too.
We've got the eggs already.
Come on, Dawson.
Let's go, Dawson. Hello everyone! Welcome to KUNGFU.LIFE YouTube channel. Today I will share with you a very simple Chinese homemade dish called steamed egg. So all you need is 3 eggs, a spring onion and a chili. This is optional, so if you don't like spicy food, you don't have to have the chili, but we love spicy food, so we're going to use the chili. So let's get started. Let's break the eggs into the bowl. So now add in some little bit of salt. The salt helps to bind the eggs together, and adding some peppers. So now we mix the eggs together. So after all the eggs have been blended together, we're going to add in some warm water. So normally adding about a cup of warm water. So what I normally do is I am adding a little bit of boiled water, so maybe just about a quarter of this cup, and then adding some cold tap water all the way to the top. So now pour this 1 cup of warm water inside. Now I'm going to remove all the bubbles from the top, and so that's when it's steamed, it's all silky and smooth. So now we're going to steam this for about 10 minutes. I normally put a plate on top. If you can't fit a plate on top, if your steamer is too small, you can use the clear film. But this one fits my steamer perfectly, so I'm just going to do that. And then we're going to add in boiled water. This on top. So we'll use medium heat and steam this for about 10 minutes. So while we wait for the egg to be steamed, we can start to do some preparation work for the garnish, which is the spring onion and chili. We want to chop the onions, spring onions into very, very fine pieces. So now everything's prepared, we're just waiting for the egg to be steamed. While we wait, I'll just quickly explain why we use warm water when we blended the egg, because warm water will help to make the egg very silky and smooth. If you use cold water, then it wouldn't be as silky as you would if you used warm water, and if you use hot water, and you would really cook the egg at the time you blend it. So about 10 minutes is up, so we're going to switch off the fire and let the egg sit in here for another 3 minutes to let the remaining heat to keep on cooking the egg. Right, now so let's see if it's ready. Perfect. It's like a jelly. Silky smooth. Now adding some soy sauce. Sesame oil. Lunch is ready.
Okay, let's try tasting. 这里加点儿刚才酱可以加这里，大概这样吃，然后我要出一点绿，大概是9个。